Hey everybody, and welcome to my N5 series on the SP404 Mark II, where I cover a topic in about 5 minutes. This is session 6.7, and today I wanted to start kind of messing around with some of the pads that we recorded, and then maybe if we have time, start seeing what we have to kind of add into making some pattern variations. So I'm just going to start copying duplicates of all these pads that we made, and I'm just going to start pitching them up and down, and we're going to see what we end up with. We'll see what we end up with. And I think to keep it simple, I'm really just going to either pitch up or down, probably plus or minus 6 or possibly minus 12. So I'm really just going to come in here. It'll just give us a little bit of variety as if we wanted to. That sounds awesome. I like that. And again, you can make like a full kit out of this, but I mean, that's probably too low here. All right, so maybe we have this as our setup. We're going to go to pattern mode. So that's what we got for our pattern right now. So I'm just going to start making a few copies of it, just so that we can see what we might like for variations. I'm going to keep one clean, maybe go down and add in a few different drum variations, but I want to kind of keep making some different stuff here. So I want to get to record. So probably one variation. Like that. So we'll record. We're going to do bank pad 3. Do the same thing here. Oops, gotta hit record. I keep forgetting all the steps here. Let's see what we can do here. Don't particularly care for that one. I think some of those sounds are maybe just too quiet. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. We'll play it. Let's run it through the compressor, which is not too loud. Yeah, so and maybe we have the settings there. We can come back to it. But let's turn this down so you hopefully hear me. I am going to try. Mess with the tone here. Doesn't sound too bad. Now, if we want to record this as a loop, we're going to have to do a couple tricks because we now have the drums in it. So what I'm going to do first. There's a few ways to do this, but we're going to record. We're going to play this. We will hit record. Actually, I got to be careful here because I don't want to record in. I'm going to turn count in off. Record, pad 3, hit record. Now I want to start, I'm going to go into erase mode. And I want to remove all the that did not do what I wanted. Okay, I'm going to have to just hold this down long enough. Okay. Just be patient, go through the whole thing. So we're just recording and deleting all of those notes that we had. And now we can turn record off. Okay. We have none of those drummed hits. So pattern 3 here now is just playing the background noise. It has removed the effects that we had. So now it's playing full sound again. Now, to record this as a loop, we're going to need a fresh place to record to. So let's do that. And I know I'm running a little long here, but we're going to go exit from or get out of pattern mode. We're going to go to, actually, we'll just use bank I to resample into. So resample, pad 1. Now, what we need to do from here is do the snap on so that after we stop at just after the loop comes in, we can hit record and it will stop from playing. Man, I gotta do this again. We gotta switch to pattern mode first. Resample. We're gonna go to bank I, pad 1. Now turn and snap on. So that will now record this with the end snap. So to just check this, you can see the end is a little bit after. So this should be a nice loop for us. Let's turn gate off. Should be able to let it go. I'm just going to let it kind of go through. See if it loops okay. And then I'll call it a day. Alright, that seems like it's doing what I want. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and we'll keep going on this. Thanks. Bye-bye.